everybody, today we're going to be making reindeer food and showing you some of our Christmas traditions. So to make reindeer food, you need some quick oats.
Any type of oats.
Any oats, just as long as they're oats. You can glitter so the reindeer can see. We have 16 different types of glitter. Green, blue, all the colors you can imagine.
But you don't actually need 16. You can have like 4, 3, 2, or 1. It doesn't matter.
Then you need some bowls and some spoons. So let's get started.
Let's get started.
Okay, so I'm pouring the oats in first. So we're first gonna pour in the oats. As much as you want.
Okay, that's good. And then after the glitter, if you want a little more, you can add a little more. You can feel it. It feels weird, but you know.
How much is left in that? Then why don't you just split it amongst the two of you?
Okay. 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 Okay.
So we
Okay.
finished the oats.
But we have some more if we want some more, but I think the reindeer will be good with this.
Good. Okay, so now it's time to add the glitter.
Whatever glitter you want. Okay. I'm gonna add.
I'm basically doing like a little of each one.
Yeah.
So like you can have any type of glitter because they're reindeer. But you might want glitter that shines so like you can see it. So like you can have like these little like ball ones, these ones.
And the reindeer won't eat the glitter. It's just to help them see where the food is.
Yeah. So what I do is I put all the glitter I wanted first, and then I mix instead of doing put glitter in first, mix, put glitter in first, mix. And it's easier.
Yeah.
In my opinion, maybe not in others, but in my opinion.
And it's okay if you spilled some glitter, like I spilled a couple, but we can clean it up.
It's all in the thought that counts and the fun that you're having. So like you can sprinkle it in your front yard. Well, you mostly want to sprinkle it in your front yard so the reindeer can get it. But like if you have a chimney, you can probably still sprinkle it in your front yard because why not? So we have 16 different like colors. Do you know what is your favorite color glitter that we have?
I'd probably say like this light teal one. I really like teal, and I like the this light orange. This one, it's like I like that one as well.
My favorite is like the neon green, right? Is that like a neon green? This one, the neon green that I just got. I really like the gold. The gold is pretty. So what's your favorite Christmas tradition that we do?
The golf cartings. Like we do that every year, and it's fun to do it with friends and family because we can go around and look at lights, and it's just a fun tradition. What is yours?
My favorite tradition is probably doing the first gift of Christmas and golf carts.
And I think doing the reindeer food. But
reindeer food is fun, yeah.
It's not really a tradition. We just do it because reindeers might be hungry.
Well, it is a tradition if we do it every year. It's a tradition. So, who's your favorite reindeer besides Rudolph?
Well, mostly all the reindeers are the same, just Rudolph because he only has the light nose. I'd probably say Comet.
Comet? Mine is probably Dasher because he's like the leader. And I like
Rudolph.
well, like on Dasher, on Dancer, on Prancer. What's your favorite Christmas song?
Probably Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. No, Jingle Bells.
Jingle Bells. My favorite's Feliz Navidad. So my reindeer food is really glittery right now. Mine has like all different colors. It actually turned out really nice because like you can't see the colors, but like the glitter makes it shine. It's so pretty, and I like the blues right there. It's a nice color because the way the oats blend in with the glitter, it's so pretty.
Yeah. Like, we have a gold, it's this gold. There's actually two golds, and the gold just blends in perfectly with it.
It's so pretty.
So I have a question. What is your favorite movie, Christmas movie?
Christmas movie? I'm gonna have to go with Home Alone.
Mine is the Polar Express and Home Alone. I think I like the Home Alone better because it has funny parts to it when he steps on the needle.
That gives me pain.
Slips down the stairs, his hair's on fire. It's so funny. So if you never watched that movie, you gotta watch it because it's like so funny.
Okay, I think my glitter is good.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get some shoes on and we will meet you outside.
Oh, it's pretty windy outside.
So we are now gonna pour our reindeer food on our grass because when Santa comes to our house, the reindeers, when Santa's dropping off some presents, the reindeer can eat the food fast, and they might be pretty hungry. So we just wanna make them have some delicious food. So let's start pouring.
That will do it for us for showing you how to make reindeer food and showing you like doing the reindeer food and how our tradition does it for the reindeer food. You know?
So with that, bye. Hasta la vista, baby. Peace out. Later.
Bye everybody.
Bye.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas, you filthy animal. And a Happy New Year.